everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video because I have a huge flight secret to share with you. Well, okay, maybe not a secret, but it is a super helpful hack on finding award availability. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I teach travel tips and travel hacking, all so that you can travel more for less. I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, so it would mean the absolute world to me if you could click the subscribe button down below. And let's go ahead and get started. So if you're like me and you love searching for award availability, you're in the right place because today I want to talk about SeatSpy. SeatSpy is a website that searches multiple airlines' award availability in one spot so that you only need one website to find the best deal. You can look at Virgin Atlantic, Air France, Lufthansa, British Airways, and so many other ones. It lets you search for specific dates. You can look at a month-wide view. You can look at one-way, round trip. You can even put in your point value and what you're trying to stay within. It makes searching for award availability so easy. There's no dealing with those clunky airline websites, and if you know, you know. And yes, I'm speaking to you, Air France. If you're looking how to do wide award availability searches and snag the best deal, you're in the right place. And I have a referral link down in the description box that will get you 2 weeks free for SeatSpy. And if you use my referral link, it'll just give me a month free of SeatSpy. So if you're looking at checking it out, do click on that link and it is a win-win for the both of us. One of the main reasons I like using SeatSpy is because it helps me save so much time and a lot of hassle. I've been in a situation where I'm trying to find award availability. So I go to Air France's website, I go to Virgin Atlantic's website, I go to KLM's website, I'm looking on PointMe, I'm looking on various different websites. All of the websites' search tools are different, they're clunky, their load times are bad. I have 72 different tabs open and it's just a mess. But SeatSpy puts it all into one search box and it does searching the web for you. As someone who does a lot of travel hacking, this is an absolute must-have for me. I don't really see how I could go back to searching for award availability like I did in the past. If you're new to travel hacking though, this could seem a little intimidating, but it is a great way to kind of start because while it does have so many different tools and assets and ways to search for flights, it does boil down again to just one website that is searching multiple airlines. So in my opinion, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, using SeatSpy is a really good place to start. So let's talk about how it works. You're of course going to go to SeatSpy.com and you're going to make an account. Now, if you want to pay for it monthly, there are 2 different options. There is their premium option and their first class option. The premium option is just $4 a month, and then their first class option is just $10 a month. But again, don't forget, I do have that link in the description box for a 2-week free trial. It can be activated whenever. So if you want to activate it today and use it to find your next trip, that's totally fine. Or you can wait, come back to this video, sign up for your free trial in a couple of months. So let's go ahead and move on to my computer so I can actually show you how the platform works. So right off the bat, you can see here, there are various airlines that you can search from. I'm just going to do one way for now. Outbound, what I really like about SeatSpy is that it actually already has all of the outbound listed there for you. So you can scroll through instead of having to know where does Virgin Atlantic depart from. So I'm going to scroll through this list. From what I can see, it does look like they have the majority of the departure airports listed on here. Just to make things easy though, I'm going to go ahead and go with New York. And then my 2 options right now that they fly from New York are London Heathrow and Manchester. So let's just go ahead and do Heathrow. So as you can see in this example, I've started to search with Virgin Atlantic. My outbound is JFK and my inbound is Heathrow. Go ahead and make that search. As it searches, it's pulling from all the different websites. It's pulling from Virgin Atlantic's website right now, putting all of that information into a very easy to use system as you see here. We can search by cabin. So we have economy, upper, and premium. You can uncheck or check these boxes depending on what it is that you're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all 3 checked just for the purpose of this demonstration so that you can see how it's organized here on the map. As you scroll down on the left-hand side, this is when you'll see the features that it offers. So we have the heat map feature, which shows pricing heat map from cheapest to most expensive. You can either keep that on or turn that off. The next box we have is fare. So for Virgin Atlantic, you can choose to just look at their Saver awards, or you can just look at their standard awards. I'll go ahead and leave both checked. Then we come down and we look at points. So right here, this sliding scale gives you the ability to say, hey, I only have X amount of points in my account, so I just want to see the deals that are within that point availability. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to toggle it down. Let's just go ahead and look at deals under 50K. So 50,000 Virgin Atlantic reward points. The next great tool is that you can create an alert. Once you've put in your search criteria and what you're looking for, you can then create an alert to be immediately notified if another flight became available within that search criteria. Next thing you'll see is the availability summary, again, just showing January, February, March, showing all of the months as well as each cabin and how much award availability is included. My favorite part though, of course, is getting this snapshot month by month. So you can scroll down here. Let's just go ahead and look at February. February has so much award availability. You can hover over each date and see you can get economy for 6,000 points, premium for 11,000 points, even upper class for 33,000 points. And again, just scan through the month and you can see all the different award availability. Once you then find something that you like, you would just go to Virgin Atlantic's website, search that exact flight with the exact dates, and the flight will be there. Let's go ahead and look at another example. Let's look at Air France, and let's say we want to fly from, let's say, Atlanta to Charles de Gaulle. Go ahead and make that search. And then again, same thing on the side. We can choose our search criteria. We could do one way, or we could even do a return flight. We could up it in passengers. So let's say we're looking for 2 people, and then let's go ahead and lower it, and let's see what 2 people can get for, let's do 63,000 points. So right now I see immediately December and January, it's only looking like economy, same into the new year, which is fine. Let's take a look. It's looking like a lot of economy award availability, but let's hover over some dates and see. The other great thing I love about SeatSpy is not only do you see the points that you'll redeem, but you'll also see the cash on top of that. So again, I'm just hovering through the month and seeing the amazing award availability and all these good deals. And then I can pick my dates from that. You could also, let's say, okay, I want to fly on April 2nd. I'll write that down. I'll then scroll up here and I'm like, well, how do I get back? So I'll go ahead and switch. So now I need to go from Paris back to Atlanta. I'll scroll back down and say, okay, I could fly back on the 15th for $28.5 and $90 euros in taxes. So that kind of is the gist how it works. Let's look at another example. This is on Brussels Airlines from JFK to Brussels. Now, for example, let's say I needed to find availability for 2 people. I could then create an alert and tell SeatSpy, hey, let me know when business class for 2 people becomes available. So as you can see, SeatSpy is an absolute game changer and so helpful when it comes to searching for award availability. I highly recommend to give it a try. Use my link down below to get your 2 weeks free. And of course, please reach out if you have any questions about booking award availability. I'm more than happy to help, but I hope you found this tool and this little hack helpful as you plan out more of your travel journeys. Again, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.